Hi, this is my video quiz 3 on chapters 9 and 10. I have the questions written down right here so that I can read them off to you. Question number 1 for chapter 9. What was the key idea or ideas that stood out to you in this chapter? The idea that stuck out to me was how important body language really is, and how, body language speaks louder than the actual speech itself sometimes in some situations, and I think that's really important, and it's a really big idea that stuck out to me. Question number 2 says, what did you learn in this chapter that you did not know before reading it? I learned the different types of delivery and when to use the correct type. Question number 3, why are these ideas important to public speaking? Delivery is important because you would not want to use impromptu speaking when you're giving a speech because you don't practice impromptu speaking, you just kind of say it. So you would not want to use that. Body language is important because you don't want to portray the wrong body language when you're giving a speech. You don't want to be nervous, you want to look confident, and that can help benefit the speech as a whole. Question number 4, how can they be used in everyday areas of your life? I work as a hostess, and so body language is very important when a customer comes in because they don't want to see me like slouched or looking upset or nervous. They want me to be confident and greet them with a smile, and that really reflects for both of us. If I greet them with a smile, they're going to greet me, and it's just going to be a good experience for everyone. Question number 1 for chapter 10. What was the key ideas or idea that stuck out to you in this chapter? The importance of visual aids and the many types that there are and that you can use stuck out to me, and how they can make or break your speech. Question number 2. What did you learn in this chapter that you did not know before reading it? I did not know about the death by PowerPoint. These guidelines are very helpful, and I'm glad that I've got to read them. Question number 3, why are these ideas important to public speaking? Visual aids are important because you want to use the correct one. Because although you have your speech, they can enhance the impact of your speech to your audience and altogether help your speech as a whole. So that's why they're important. The death by PowerPoint is important because incorrect use of a PowerPoint can harm your speech. If you look at your PowerPoint too long and not look at your audience, then that will attract their attention away from you and your speech, and it just wouldn't be good. Question number 4, how can they be used in other areas of your personal or professional life? Visual aids can be used when you're trying to show a friend. Right now, me and my friend are looking at apartments, and I could show a graph or a list of reasons why one apartment is better than another, and show her a chart of these, which apartment is the highest in this area or the lowest, and that could help make or break the apartment we choose to get. Thank you.